But now, it is time to celebrate. And I can reveal that I need these goggles for the next section. And I can reveal that I need this safety hat for the next section. Hey, and don't let miserable, usually Reformed, usually Baptist church members tell you that 100 hours of Bible study should not be celebrated, because most people who say things like that have never read the Bible for 100 hours. So you be happy and thankful and keep going in this age of distractions, and I will celebrate you reading the Bible and focusing on Jesus and church. I find it moving. And to that end, I can reveal that 3/4 of the media team are actually not in their own houses, but are standing outside in the garden because we, ladies and gentlemen, in spite of the horrific and horrendous weather, are about to bring you day 100 fireworks. Now just bear with me, because the camera that we need to use is currently on the tabernacle. But the next time you see it, it will not be on the tabernacle. Here's where a lot of things could go wrong. But you are about to see a world exclusive of 2 other members of the media team. Ricky Bad Boy B, Neil Worthington Whittington. Knickerbocker Glory Hawkins valiantly chose to stay home today so he could manage you lot on chat. He has laid down his enjoyment for the benefit of you lot. And there is one of the admin members right now. No, not admin members. Media team. And admin members. It's all the same thing. What? Mic. Okay, I'm just getting the mic. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening and welcome to the Day 100 Bible celebrations. Ricky B is now going to light the first firework. I can confirm that it has been lit. Ricky B exits the vicinity. an almost ghostly-like figure smiles at the Bible Hour crowd that he is being extinguished. I can almost guarantee that my children are now awake and Rita Batstone is livid. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not over because I bought 3 lots of fireworks and I actually said to them in the shop, my children will be sleeping, please don't give me loud ones. I believe they lied. I'm looking at divorce, but it's worth it, Bible Hour, as Ricky B steps up for quiet firework number 2. Mrs. Batstone possibly thinking that that's it, but it's not it. There's more to come, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, again, not that quiet. And those were supposed to be the quieter ones of the 3. So I'm a little bit worried about what's going to happen next. I hope you're enjoying it, because I may well not have a family house to go to tomorrow. As Ricky B steps up, also the tree in the background has a protection order on it. So let's hope that doesn't get burned down. So we go. For number 3, Ricky B steps up. Ladies and gentlemen, the whole street is awake to join in the celebrations of day 100 of Bible Hour. We will be back tomorrow at 9 p.m. unless I am kicked out of the house, in which case it's been a great 100 days and I will see you possibly on the streets of Cardiff.